In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see completed tasks in ClickUp. If you're new to ClickUp or just need a refresher, we'll keep this quick, clear, and practical. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser and signing in. Use whichever method you prefer. Signing in with your Google account is a fast option. Once you've selected your account and logged in, you'll land in your workspace, ready to set things up. From the left-hand navigation, head to Dashboards. If you're on the Workspace overview, you'll find Dashboards in the main navigation on the left. Hover or click to open it. This is the hub where you can build custom views of your work. Click New Dashboard to create one from scratch. You'll see template options. Choose a simple, task-focused template, such as Task Management. Templates save time and come pre-configured with useful widgets, so you can see key information without building every block yourself. Next, choose the data you want to display. Select the spaces or lists that hold the tasks you want to monitor. This step controls the scope of your dashboard, so pick the locations that matter most for your reporting. When you're happy with your selections, click Create Dashboard and give it a moment to load your data. Your dashboard will populate with widgets that immediately highlight what's been completed. Loading can take a moment, especially if you've included several spaces or large lists, so give it a second. You'll see counts of completed tasks, and depending on the template, chart visualizations that make trends obvious at a glance. This gives you instant visibility into what's done and what still needs attention. You can also update work from here. If a task is finished, mark it. Complete directly within this dashboard space. The completed count updates right away, which is great for real-time progress tracking during stand-ups or reviews. To keep things organized, rename the dashboard at the top so it's easy to find later. Then fine-tune the settings to control exactly what appears. Adjust task counts, confirm the spaces included, and tailor the view to match your workflow as it evolves. Small adjustments here go a long way toward keeping your reporting clean and reliable. And that's it. You now know how to quickly build a dashboard in ClickUp and view your completed tasks across the locations that matter to you. It's a simple setup that helps you track progress, manage your workflow, and stay focused on what's next. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy task managing!